We don't yet crawl, but we'll find a way to get from one place to another. Okay, Haley, come get this. Come here. Come on. Don't whine. Come and get it. She has a bad cold, so she's a little whiny. Or a lot. Come on. Good job, Missy. Oh, that's kind of not fair, huh? Okay, come on. Come on, sweet pea. Come here. Come and get it. It's really fun. It's really fun. It's really fun. Come on. Uh-oh. Arm's stuck. Almost. 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 Yay, Haley! Yay! Success! Hey. Hi. Yay! Oh, check out that crusty nose. That's yucky. Yay! Can you say bye-bye? Can you say dada? Good girl.